Hello everyone, it's Seal, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to edit the render that we made last video. I left a link in the description below if you haven't seen the first video. The software that we're going to use today is going to be Paint.net and Google Images. We're going to use plugins, but most of you can figure this out without the thumbnails, without the plugins. Now let's get right into the video. The size for all the logos we do is going to be 2000 by 2000. After you get the canvas size, you want to get the render you made last video. Yes, I'm using a different render. And you want to copy and paste it to your background. Make sure that the legs are either not showing or are barely showing. Now you need to add a new layer by clicking the square with the plus on it. Now let's get a new background that suits the render. I like to use London backgrounds, anime backgrounds, and backgrounds from in-game of Roblox. Now I'm going to show you how I do my borders. Don't tell anyone, it's a secret. First, you make your border and make sure that the width is 31 pixels. Make sure that it's white. Then duplicate the layer and make the bottom border black. After this, I do a Gaussian blur on the black border. The radius should be 68. Now you want to make the white border an overlay by clicking the layer and then clicking the pencil icon. Now the blurred black border opacity to about 180. Click OK. Now you click the layer that has your render on it and click a new layer. Now we're doing text. Do your group name or your username and make sure that the text is white. Now put the text in the middle and distort it. This requires a plugin. If you want it, search up how to get it. Make sure that the Y offset is negative 40.45 degrees and click OK. Now we need to add a drop shadow to the text. Make the shadow radius 0. Make the shadow strength 0. Make the X offset 0 and make the Y offset 0.14 degrees. And click OK. Now grab the wand tool. And shift click on the white text to select all the letters. Click the paintbrush and make sure your hardness is 0%. And get the color with the hex of CCCCC. That's 5 C's. Now color the text that you have selected and then click enter. Now click the file, then click save as and add a name to the file. It says save as type under the name. Change the file from PDN to PNG. Now click save and you're done. Hello everyone who has made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this far in. I truly thank you. Since you've made it this far, I'm going to tell you about a new clothing group that I've made called Matchless. We make original clothing and we don't hire any workers who steal other work. We make clothes every week, so be sure to go there. There will be a link in the description, so go check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and thanks for 500 subscribers. Bye!